Try these 3 important secret codes on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra that most people don't even know about, but they can help you test your entire phone in just a few minutes. Start by opening your phone dialer. If you ever need to hide your number for a single call, just type #31#, then enter the number. That call will go out as private. And if you need your IMEI number, just go back to the dialer and type *#06#. It will show up instantly. Now, for the full check, type *#0*#. The moment you enter it, a hidden test menu will open up. Let's go through each test naturally. First, let's check your display. You'll see options like red, green, and blue. Pick any one of them, and your screen will instantly switch that color. Now just slowly scan the screen. You're looking for anything unusual, tiny black dots, white spots, or uneven areas. If everything looks clean and solid, your display is in great shape. Now, let's check the top speaker. Open the receiver option. You'll hear sound coming from the earpiece. Hold the phone to your ear like you're on a call. It should sound clear and balanced, not too low or distorted. Go into the vibration test. Your phone will start vibrating continuously. Just hold it for a moment. It should feel strong and steady. Now, let's check the rear camera. Open up Mega Cam. Move your phone a little and look at the preview. Make sure it focuses quickly and looks sharp. No blur, no shaking, no dark spots. Go into Sensor. It may look a bit technical, but it's actually simple. Try this. If everything responds as you move, your sensors are working fine. Now, let's test the touch screen. You'll see a grid appear. Just drag your finger across the screen. As you move, each box should fill in. Take your time and cover every area. If something doesn't respond, that spot may have an issue. Let's check the main speaker. A loud sound will start playing. Listen closely. It should be clear and loud. Now, let's test the physical buttons. Open Sub key. Press your volume and power buttons one by one. Each press should instantly show a response on the screen. Time to check the front camera. Open Front Cam. You'll see yourself on the screen. Just check if it looks clear and natural. No fog, no strange colors. Let's check for any light leaks on your display. Go into the black screen test. Your screen will turn completely dark. Try this in a slightly dim room. Look around the edges. If you don't see any glowing spots, your display is perfectly fine. Open Hall IC. This one checks the magnetic sensor. Now, bring a magnet or flip cover close to your phone. It should detect the movement. That's what helps your phone recognize when a cover is opened or closed. Now, let's quickly check your storage health. Go into MLC. It will run a quick check automatically. Just wait a moment. If no errors show up, your storage is good. For phones with an S Pen, let's test that too. Try writing or drawing on the screen. It should feel smooth, accurate, and responsive. No lag, no dead spots. Finally, let's test the mic and speaker together. Go into Loopback. Say something out loud. You should hear your own voice coming back through the speaker. If not, there might be a mic or audio issue. And that's it. With this hidden menu, you can quickly check almost every part of your Samsung phone in just a few minutes. Hope this helped. Thanks for your time.